Are you tired of battling stubborn mold stains in your home? Meet Active Mold Stain Remover Gel, your new secret weapon against tough stains and grime. This isn't just another cleaner. It's a powerful, fast-acting solution that tackles the toughest mold stains in minutes. Whether it's your front-loading washing machine seal, bathroom grout, or shower caulk, Active has got you covered. What sets Active apart? It's all in the gel formula. Unlike sprays or liquids that run down vertical surfaces, this gel clings where you need it most. Just apply it evenly and watch as it works its magic. But don't let its power fool you. Active is made with simple ingredients, free from harsh chemicals that can damage your surfaces. It's tough on stains, but gentle on your home. And talk about versatile. From your washing machine drum to your refrigerator seal strips, from shower walls to bathtub tiles, there's no mold stain this gel can't handle. The best part? One 7-ounce bottle of this concentrated formula lasts up to a year. That's 12 months of mold-fighting power in your hands. Say goodbye to black spots, discoloration, and that musty odor. Say hello to sparkling clean surfaces throughout your home. Active Mold Stain Remover Gel, because life's too short for stubborn stains. Get yours today on Amazon and experience the difference. Your home will thank you.